And
I
of
know.
course, if you get rid of a lot of stuff, you can probably lower your insurance if you've got household contents insurance.
Mm. Well, that's true.
So it
Suppose
saves
it's
on. Mum used to dust absolutely everything every week at home when I was a kid. So she was the
mm,
classic 50s housewife and everything was immaculate. But she didn't work, as in she didn't work out of home. So she had the time and the energy to do that. But we don't
because that was
have
her
that
work.
anymore.
Mm.
Yes, yeah, that was her contribution. I've got one glass cabinet and yeah, and I've honed that down to a degree of precious items and that's it.
It's amazing how much stuff we get in a lifetime, isn't it? In our Western countries. Mm.
Excess. I know a lot of people are struggling, but in real terms, Australia is still a very wealthy country and we are wealthy comparatively. And it's expendable income, so we spend it. So, and we have a culture with young people to redo the decor every year. What's the fashion this year? I've seen young people. I think I've told you this one before. The lady with the three little boys, and she had a black leather lounge suite. She decided to upgrade, so she got rid of the black one and got a white one with three little boys in the country. But that was the fashion, so it was sort of like and Dulux or whatever the paint companies come out with this year's colours. We've stuck with the same colours for decades.